Hey guys, this is part 3 of the series. Hang on, let me grab. This time we're gonna be unboxing cars, and then me and him are gonna split these peeps. Right here, we're gonna try these. We've never tried blue, and yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so start opening. Or don't open that way. There is tape, I believe. You know, just go ham on the thing. Just open it up. Oh, there we go. Cars. You guys have cars are open. Right here, they don't have the glare from the TV on it. See, you can tell I'm playing Fortnite. You can see the HP bar down there. Dang it, look. Oh, why you just throw it behind you. That's mine. My tactic. This is mine. Because it has the front truck. Okay guys, this is the review of the cars. Okay, let's start with your top car.
Ooh, this one's sick.
Okay, got this one right here. It's like a little police van.
And then I got this like turbocharged one. It's like a race car, I think, like a street racing car.
Yep. Alright, get your second car out. Okay guys, I have this Porsche, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's a Porsche.
Mine is what?
I got a Porsche right here.
I got this like old-fashioned like drift car.
Okay, third one. Okay, and then I got this for my third one. This one is like kind of city response. I think it's like a police car for like cities.
And I got this like old-fashioned like, I don't even know what this one is.
Alright, for my fourth one, I got like a tree service one. See, it says tree service. It has a little ladder.
Then I got this, like, I don't even know what this is, but it looks like a race car, really fast.
Okay, and for my last one, I have like this one right here. Looks pretty cool. Alright.
And then I got this old wide body Porsche. It's a wide body, so that makes it pretty cool. And then it doesn't really have a spoiler. Not that. It has a kind of big spoiler on there.
Okay, let's set our cars down next to it.
Wait.
No. And we're doing that in the next video. We're doing that in the next part. Okay, peeps. So we have our peeps. We've never tried these. So yeah. I have no clue how to open peeps. Learning, so.
You go ham on them.
Yeah. Alright, there's not an even amount, so I'll just rip one in half. Okay. Okay, here's your peep. These are actually really good. They have like a sugar coating and then a marshmallow inside. And chocolate eyebrows.
I don't really taste the chocolate that much.
No. They're really tiny. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I don't think that's chocolate for the eyes.
It is. I think it's dark chocolate. Eat it normally, Ryan. Let's play rock, paper, scissors over the head because I can just rip this in half. Ready?
I already got
Okay, ready?
rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You get the head.
Okay. That's fair. You got the bigger half.
Mhm.
Okay, guys. So, as you can see, we devoured those peeps. All gone. Yeah, let me finish chewing 1 second. Hang on, let me get a drink. Sorry, guys. I take a long drink. Okay, I think my tongue's blue, is it?
Yeah, like in the back. I think.
Yeah, kind of more in the back. Alright, well, good thing we have a trash can right under here. Did you throw the wrapper away?
Yeah.
Okay, I got confused where it was.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's probably gonna be it for this part. And the next part, we're just gonna be unboxing this right here. Don't really know what it is.
It's like a monster truck,
jumping and stuff.
like crashing into these cars right here.
Yeah. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next video. Part 4. Bye.